Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Just wanted to go over some modifications I've done to my SCX24 recently. Took me a couple days, but I nailed down a design for basically, what they call them, no foams, squishy tire inserts. So I designed it up and got it to fit. So I'm running some harder ones in the back. These were my initial prints. Here's the stock foam right there, and then these are the ones up in the front, and they're pretty squishy. And then the other things I've done, running a drone speed controller and BEC. It's my ESC right now, and I can program that. Running a 1400 kV surplus motor, running a AGFRC, let's see, get that in focus, the A20 CLS. It's got really good torque. I think I'm just running that off whatever it is, 5 volts. You probably crank that up to 7.4 safely. They just came out with I think 2 new ones, and I think you can crank those up to 8.4 volts with your BEC. Get more torque. I think they're like maybe around 130 inches of torque on 8.4, the new ones. And let's see here, that battery is a Tattoo 650 milliamp 3S LiPo. Still running the stock frame. Still running my RC 4-wheel drive rock creepers, and then RC 4-wheel drive stamped steel beadlocks, and the stock drive shafts with, these are nylon, 3D printed nylon high clearance links that somebody posted, and I downloaded and printed out, and then some really nice side skids, some rock sliders somebody posted too, and I printed those out. I think these are just in PLA or PETG. Still running the skid, same stock skid. I think there's a model out there, a flat skid. I might download that and print it and see if that mounts up. Still running my C10 body, which I really like. But yeah, there's a lot of, I know there's a lot of new tires out there. I'm kind of eyeing the Power Hobby Trail Masters. I think that's what they're called. Maybe I'm getting those mixed up with the new Enjoras. I think they're called Trail Masters. They're really sticky. Kind of the same tread pattern, but I think they're probably even stickier than this. Be interesting to see how long that those Power Hobbies stay sticky. These weren't like gummy sticky out of the package, but they're they're a good compound. So yeah, I posted on my Instagram that it had, like, I don't even know how many revisions of these. It's just a rough print, and it was fun to design them. I think there still needs some designing of like some beveling, some chamfering, fillets, whatever you want to call them, to dial these in, and then always the material, the infill, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna see if I can run this up these 1, 2, 3 blocks. See if we can get these lined up and see if they deform. Let's see. I'm not seeing any, like, they're not, flattening out a lot at all. It's just going to be hard to tell. I really need to get this little guy out on the rocks and see if I saw an improvement, which I don't know if I'll see it at all. Possibly. It's always been a good climber. And there we go. So that's basically it. Just kind of want to give an update, get a new video out. Been really enjoying tinkering with this thing, and not only that, but my 1/10 scales, and getting on CAD and printing things out, designing stuff for myself. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one. Please leave a comment. Have a good one. Bye.